Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the ultimate Android hacks split screen feature. So by using split screen on Android, you can open two applications at once, and it might helping you in do some work like multitasking, chatting with someone while watching something, for example. And through this video I'm going to show you how you can use that and how you can enable the split screen. So first, you can go to the settings on your phone and just find in here split screen, or you can also just explore. So in my phone, in here the split screen setting is under the shortcut and accessibility option. So let's click on that, and here is the split screen. So under the multitasking section, there's split screen, so you can swipe up with three fingers to split screen recommended split screen apps. So the it might be different on your phone, but on my phone, if I want to do some split screen, I need to swipe up with three fingers, as you can see in here. And let's see what apps can use the split screens in here. You can see this is the settings, so I need to activate this if I want to enable the split screen, and you need to make sure it's on. And you can also enable the split message split screen, and these are the apps that currently can do split screen on my phone. So not all apps allow split screens. So here are the apps. There are WhatsApp, Facebook, Messages, Messenger, and Netflix. So in my case, I can watch Netflix while chatting with someone, for example, in WhatsApp. So let's see if it works. I'm going to show you. I don't know if it can do while I'm doing a screen recording. Let's just see. I'm going to open my message, for example, in here, and I'm going to do some multitasking. I'm going to swipe up with my three fingers. Okay, so as you guys can see here, I can open another app. I can open Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, even Google TV, video, maps. You can see there are so many apps that you can do. If you want to exit, you can just click on exit split screen in here, and the split screen will be ended. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.